Imagine transforming into your favorite celebrity with just a few clicks, or swapping faces with your friends for the ultimate prank. All this can be done with the help of Deepfake. And in this video, we are going to dive into the Deepfake site that is going to actually help you do all these things. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know. I'm going to show you guys real life example. You guys are going to see how I was able to change my face to the face of any celebrity of my choice. All you need to do is for you to pay very close attention to this video and get the content. So the name of this very FaceSwap site is FaceSwapper.ai. This site is the site that I've been using for me to change my face to any celebrity of my choice. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know, how you're going to operate this site step by step that you're going to take in order for you to swap to any face or even swap to any video of your choice. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys everything. All you need to do for me here is for you to make sure you leave me a like in this video if you found this video very useful. If you happen to have any question pertaining to this video, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions. So let's get started. So right here, I'm going to show you guys real life example of how I was able to change or face swap any picture or any video of my choice. Just pay attention. So if you come to your browser, what you're going to do is for you to just come here, search for FaceSwapper.ai. Then you're going to be seeing this first site, that's www.faceswapper.ai. Then click on the site. If you click on the site, it's going to bring you to this very interface. This is how the interface looks like. So up here, you're going to be seeing more online too. This is where you can actually swap your face, video swap, clothes swap, GIF, face cutter, magic avatar, multiple face swap. You can actually do any one of your choice. So if you come here, you're going to be seeing these 6 credits. These how many credit that they're going to give you. Don't worry, I'm still going to explain this credit to you guys. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to click on this sign up for free. If you click on this sign up for free, then you're going to enter your email and you're going to enter your password. After everything, you're going to sign up. So right here, after signing up, you're going to be seeing these details here. You're going to see my account name, date created, current plan, free account. You're going to see that I just have only 10 credits and the credits cost. Let me show you guys. 1 credit for 1 image face swapping, 2 credit for clothes swapping, 3 to 5 credit for video or GIF face swapping. You guys saw how everything actually works. If you come, you're going to be seeing this credit from 6 to 10. If you sign up, they're going to give you 4 credit for free. And if you pay for the paid version, they're going to give you more. But actually go for that paid version. Use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. So right here, we're going to face swap to any face of our choice. So if you come here, you're going to be seeing this. Then let's just start with face swapping. After we're going to do video swapping, we're going to be seeing this add face image. Let's click on this one. So if you come here, let's use this very picture for face swapping. This is my picture. This is my picture here. That's one of the picture that you're seeing on the thumbnail. Then if you come here, let's change it to that of Freeman Morgan. Let's change it to the face. If I click on this very place, I'm going to find Freeman Morgan and I'm going to swap his face. So right here is that of Freeman Morgan face. Look at the man's face here. You guys are going to see the magic that this is actually going to do for you. But if you come here, you're going to click on this start face swapping. Click on it. If you click on it, then you're going to give it some time, just a little time, and it's going to load everything. Just watch how it unfolds. So right here, you're going to see that my face actually looks a little bit like that of Freeman Morgan. This is how everything looks like. So we are going to do another one here, so don't worry. Up here, you're going to see that my credit has actually reduced from 10 to 9. Let me swap another one because this very video is all about tutorial. So let me go here again. Let me swap another one. Then right here, let's click on this image. If we click on this image, then we are going to select another person. Let me go with Ragnar Lodgebrook. Okay, this is Ragnar. Then we are going to click on this add image. That's your targeted image. Then I'm going to select my picture here. I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to click on open. Then let me click on this swap face. Then let's wait for it for a little bit time and you're going to see the magic that it's actually going to do for you. But look here, you're going to see that this face actually looks a little bit of that of Ragnar Lodgebrook. I can actually redo it if you don't mind. Let me just go back again. This is actually a similar face to that of the guy that I'm actually seeing there. Let me do another one here. So just, let me calm down, do it. So let me click on this one. If I click on this one here, then I'm going to choose that very guy again. This guy now. I'm going to choose this guy. Then I'm going to click on this face swapping and you're going to see how it actually works. So right here, if you look at this picture, you're going to see that my face actually looks similar to that. This is what they call face swapping. This is how they actually do it, face swapping. This is how they actually do it. So right now, I'm still going to show you guys how you're going to do that with video. That's video face swapping. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do that. So right here, if after swapping to any face of your choice, what you're going to do if you want to swap any video is for you to come to this more online tools, then come to this video swap. Click on this video swap. Then you're going to come here, click on this add image. That's the image that you want to swap it to. Then click on this very targeted video. Then you're going to click on this start video swapping and you're going to just give it some time and it's going to swap to any video of your choice. So guys, This is exactly how you're going to do this. If you want to test this very site, what you're going to do here for you to click the link that I'm going to be dropping down below the description of this video. So let's get to the normal video. So now that I've shown you guys everything that you need to know about this very FaceSwap AI, I want to just pick out some things, some points that I'm going to list out here, so just you know what you're going to expect while using this very FaceSwap. The number one thing that you're going to know here that you actually notice, but just that you didn't pay attention, is the fact that it has a very friendly user interface. The interface is very friendly for a beginner. Even if you haven't used it before, it's very easy for you to use and understand. You guys saw how I was able to do everything, check out everything, swap my face to that of Free Morgan and also that of Ragnar Lostbrock, that's Vikings author or protagonist. You guys saw how I was able to do everything here. So concerning the interface, it's very easy for you to understand. It's very clear and understandable, and that's something that I would love to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect while using this face swapper. So the next thing that I need to mention here is the fact that they give you up to 10 credits. All of these face swapping tools are not going to do that for you, so we'll just give you 5, so we'll just give you 3 and it will warrant for you to buy, but these guys actually give you 10. So even if you want to swap to any test of your choice, as you guys saw it in that very video, 3 credits is for one video swap, then 1 credit is for one picture or face swap. So that's how everything actually works. They gave you up to 10 credits, and that's something that I liked about them. And now that I've talked about that, another point that I need to mention here is the fact that the site is effective. There is nothing like site lagging, you trying to swap some face and it's wasting your time, taking your time. There is nothing like that. I've used it and you guys actually saw how I was able to do that very fast. You guys saw how the face swapping stuff was able to do it very fast, and that's why I'm going to give these guys kudos, because all of these sites, that's this face swap sites, deepfake sites, actually suffers from this problem of their system lagging. You're trying to swap some pictures on their site and it's not working. That's something that I need to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect while using them. I'm now going to move on to talking about the things that I don't really like about this very face swapper, and I feel like you also might not like it. The first thing that I don't like about them is that you are going to be dependent on AI. Anything that they're going to give you is AI. There is no option of you editing anything. If they generate any picture for you, that's how it's going to be. But I don't really see that as an issue, because they actually delivers a lot. Okay, they give you the very specific picture of the celebrity of your choice, and you guys actually saw I was able to do that. Aside that, the next thing that I don't like about this face swapper tool is the fact that there are some fakes out there. All of these face swap or deep fake tools actually suffers from it. There are some people who actually imitate sites, build sites that are similar to that of these sites, and they use it to scam people who are not that internet wise. So all you need to do here, if you want to be on the safer side, is for you to go to your browser or to your Chrome, anyone, or Safari, search for www.faceswapper.ai. Listen, FaceSwapper.ai, or better still, if you don't want to get confused here, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to FaceSwapper official website. Use that link and you're going to actually see a coupon code there. Use that coupon code to actually secure yourself off some discount if you actually want that. So now that I've talked about that, when it comes to my final recommendation, when it comes to whether or not I recommend you guys using this FaceSwapper.ai, yes, I recommend them. They work, they're 100% legit, they are safe, and they are good. I've been using them to swap any face of my choice. If you want to get the best out of them, use the paid version and you're going to see how it works like magic. I'm using it and that's good. So guys, now that I've talked about that, if after watching this video, seeing everything, and you decide that you want to use this FaceSwapper.ai, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to the official website. Use that link. There will be a coupon link down there also. Use that very coupon link to secure some discount. Aside that, don't forget to leave me a like in this video and I'm going to appreciate that. If you happen to have any question pertaining to this FaceSwapper, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions. Do have a nice day, guys. Peace out.